What if the secret to revealing your prostate problems wasn't a pill, but a fruit you've probably eaten countless times? One that scientific studies show can actually help shrink an enlarged prostate in just a few weeks. Sounds unbelievable. Wait until you hear the science behind it. An enlarged prostate, known medically as a benign prostatic hyperplasia or a BPH, affects over half of men above 50, causing symptoms like frequent urination, poor sleep, and that constant feeling of never emptying your bladder. While medications can help, many come with side effects, but nature might have already offered safer evidence-backed alternatives in the form of a one humble red fruit, tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a carotenoid antioxidant that numerous studies have linked to improved prostatic health and a reduced prostate enlargement. Lycopene is what gives tomatoes their deep red color, but inside your body it acts like a molecular bodyguard. It neutralizes free radicals that damage prostate cells and trigger inflammation, the main cause of a BPH. A clinical study in the British Journal of Urology International found that men with the higher lycopene levels had a smaller prostate volume and better urinary flow. This antioxidant doesn't just protect cells, it also helps regulate DHT, a potent form of testosterone that fuels prostate growth. One reason that prostate enlarges with age is the excessive conversion of testosterone into dihydrotestosterone. Lycopene helps inhibit the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, which drives this conversion. In simple terms, less DHT means less stimulation for your prostate to grow. That's why studies show lycopene supplementation can even enhance the effect of a conventional BPH medications without added side effects. Chronic inflammation is another hidden trigger for prostate swelling. In research published in experimental and therapeutic medicine, lycopene significantly reduced inflammatory markers like interleukin-6 and TNF-alpha in men with a BPH. Lower inflammation means less pressure on the urethra and a smoother urinary flow. One of the biggest relief for men struggling with the nighttime urination. Healthy blood flow is crucial for prostate function. Oxidative stress and inflammation can stiffen the tiny vessels that nourish the prostate. Lycopene helps restore vascular flexibility, improving oxygen supply and nutrient delivery. These can enhance tissue repair and support the natural shrinking of the gland over time. A lesser-known benefit of a tomato lycopene is its ability to modulate hormonal signaling. In men with a mild to moderate BPH, lycopene was shown to reduce PSA, prostate-specific antigen levels, a marker of prostate stress. This indicates improved prostate function and reduced cellular turnover, which lowers the risk of a further enlargement or damage. One of the earliest signs of a prostate trouble is uncontrolled multiplication of glandular cells. Lycopene interacts with the DNA regulatory proteins to shut this process down by promoting a programmed cell-less apoptosis in abnormal prostate cells, healthy cell turnover, and maintain gland size. Here's the surprising part. Raw tomatoes are good, but cooked or processed tomatoes are even better. Cooking breaks down tomato cell walls, making lycopene up to 4 times more bioavailable. That means a bowl of a tomato soup or serving of a tomato paste delivers far more prostate healing power than a raw tomato salad. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because each day we break down real science into simple, practical health advice that can transform your life. Now, let's look at how you can use this information in your daily routine to start seeing results within just a few weeks. Eat cooked tomato or a tomato paste daily. Aim for at least 1 serving of a cooked tomato products per day, such as tomato soup, tomato juice, or a tablespoon of a tomato paste. These forms deliver concentrated lycopene and an antioxidant that your body absorbs efficiently. Regular intake has been linked to 35% reduction in prostate enlargement markers, combined with healthy fats for a better absorption. Lycopene is fat soluble, meaning your body needs a bit of oil to absorb it. Cooking tomatoes with olive oil or adding avocado can increase lycopene absorption by up to 80%. This is one reason Mediterranean diets are so effective at maintaining prostate health. Include zinc-rich foods. Zinc supports testosterone balance and the prostate repair. Pair with your tomato meals with the pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, or seafoods for a synergistic effect. Zinc deficiency is common in a man with a BPH, so getting enough through diet can accelerate recovery. Stay hydrated, but time your fluids. Drink plenty of water during the day, but reduce intake 2 hours before bedtime. This helps relieve nighttime urgency without dehydration. Proper hydration supports the kidney and flushes inflammatory metabolites that can worsen prostate swelling. Your prostate is a small gland with a big impact on your daily comfort, and its health is in your control. By adding just one simple fruit, the tomato, to your diet each day, you can help your body reduce inflammation, balance hormones, and support natural prostate shrinking within weeks. Remember, your body was designed to heal when you give it right nutrients.